welcome to my channel. So today's video I am going to be using my Essence Hey L.A palette, and it looks like this right here, which is a really pretty neutral colorful sunset palette, and I decided to use it as like my spring makeup look. And yeah, I'm pretty glowy, so if you'd like to see more details of the eye look and everything else and my thoughts of new makeup releases, just a little snippet of it during the video. I hope you keep on watching if you are interested. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do upload once a week, and I do content where it's related with my Roman Catholic faith or just my love for makeup in general. So subscribe if you haven't already, ring the bell, and without further ado, I'll get started. Okay, so if you hear background noise, there's road construction going on in my street, and there's nothing I could do about that. So hopefully it's not too loud in the background and you could hear me just fine. But yeah, that's just a heads up. So I put no foundation on because I don't feel like putting on any today, and I just used the YSL Blur Primer as my first base. It's got like gold fine sparkles on it. It's really pretty. And then I mixed in my sunscreen, which is the Hawaiian Tropic Island Sport ultra light version, and it looks like this. And I mixed it with the Charlotte Ronson A Summer Kiss Face and Body Glow. So I already primed my eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and then I put like a glitter glue for the inner corner. And today I'm going to be using my Hey L.A. Essence eyeshadow palette, and the color scheme looks like this, which is super pretty. I love the colors. I've never used it. I've only used it like as swatches, but not as an eye look. So we'll see what I come up with. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to be taking as my transition is this one right here. It's like a neutral brown color, but looks kind of rosy. And then I'll be using my Sigma E40. Okay, so now for the all over brow bone shade, I'll be taking this cream color right here, and I'll just put that underneath. Okay, so I'm just going to take this orange satin shimmer shade and I put that all over the lid. And I'll be using my clean index finger. That's really pretty. Okay, so this is what that orange shade looks like all over the lid. And it's really pretty. It's like a subtle orange shimmer. Now for the outer corner, I'm going to be using my finger again. And I believe I'll be taking this fuchsia shade right here. And it looks really pretty. It's like a hot pink fuchsia color. And just put it lightly underneath. So, is anyone interested in the new makeup releases that's been happening so far? I feel like I have a little bit. I did recently get the Colourpop in collaboration with Lizzie McGuire, and then the Lemonuso palette too. Those two palettes were on my radar for a while, and yeah, I thought those were really pretty palettes. And then there's one from an indie brand called Glamorex, I believe. I think they're from Australia. And they recently had a palette called You Beauty eyeshadow palette. I don't know, I had like dual chromes in there, multi-chromes. It looked really, really pretty. But it's so easy to apply shadow with just using your finger. You make sure everything looks even. And pretty much you're really light around your eye too. Okay, so now I'm just going to be taking one more shade, and it's going to be this purple one right here. It's so pretty. I'm just going to use it as a light transition over the whole eye. So I did look up the palette, and it's called Glamorex Cosmetics, and it's the U palette, and for US dollar price tag it's $72.56 plus shipping is $15, but they are taking pre-orders. Apparently it keeps getting sold out. I don't know. But it does look pretty. Wow. Okay, so I'll be taking my Terra Phoenix eyeshadow, and it looks just like this. Now put that in the inner corner. real quick. Okay, so that's what that looks like, and it's super pretty. Really, really love it. So this is pretty much like my finished eye look. Absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm just going to do the rest of my face and I will be right back. Okay, so this is officially my finished look. And I love how everything came out together. I look really glowy. It's like a perfect spring look for me. And I used the Balm Game Day as my blush and pretty much like a highlight topper. I used both of the powders and this one. And then for my lips, I used the Colourpop lippie stick, and this one's called Rayezor. So yeah, I am completely happy with how everything came out. I hope you enjoyed watching. May God bless. And I hope you have a great weekend ahead and continue being safe. Okay, so I'll see you later. I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Bye.